Are you looking for the best bike tire repair kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bike tire repair kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Vibrelli Mini Bike Pump and Glueless Puncture Repairing Kit. We begin the review with the Vibrelli Bike Repair Kit that comes with a mini bike pump. What is special about this pump is that it will automatically lock on both Schrader and Presta valves with utmost ease. You will never experience air leaks or valve changing with this pump. It is that convenient, not to forget that it features durable construction. This pump also allows you to easily switch from high volume to high pressure inflation. It is therefore a perfect mini bike pump for mountain and road bikes. With the Velcro strap, the bike pump will be held firmly in place to avoid losing it on the road. The package comes with a glueless puncture kit too, which gets you ready for emergency flat tires. At number 4, Kitbest Bike Repair Kit for Emergency. This is another bike repair kit that comes with a mini bike pump. The pump has been made to easily switch between Schrader and Presta valves. There is also a storage bag that you can use to store your items in a safe place for organization and portability too. With up to 16 different tools, you will have no worries in case of emergencies when you are on the road. It has important accessories that cyclists need. One of the great things that buyers like about this kit is the fact that it has a repair patch kit. You will therefore be in a position to fix punctures on your road or mountain bike during harsh conditions. The pump has been made in a small and lightweight design, meaning that it will be very easy to carry around. What motivates customers to buy this kit is the fact that customer satisfaction is guaranteed. Professional customer service is also a win for this brand. At number 3, CHUMXINY Bike Repair Toolkit, 16-in-1. This bike repair kit comes with a mini bike pump that has an aluminum body. It has a small and convenient size which makes it pretty easy to carry along. The good thing about this pump is that it is very easy to switch from Presta to Schrader valves for easy inflation. You will also be able to easily regulate the air via the regulating valve to make sure that you get accurate inflation. Other than the mini bike pump, you will also appreciate that the kit comes with a bike tire patch. You will therefore fix emergency bike punctures without the need for extra glue. Additionally, this kit comes with a bike tool bag located under the saddle for easy storage of your items. Given that this brand is committed to satisfying the customer's needs, you should have all the confidence to buy. At number 2, Odoland Bike Tire Repair Kit with a work bag. Among the winning points for this package is the bike pump. It comes in a small and lightweight design, allowing you to easily carry it around as you wish. You can easily store it in the bag or mount it on the bike. Apart from that, its body features quality aluminum alloy which is strong and durable to extend the service life of the pump. Buying this kit should not be something that you give a second thought about, since customer satisfaction is guaranteed. The package comes with a total of 13 different tools, including everything that you need for an emergency on the road. The bike pump only takes a very short time to inflate the tire owing to its pressure capacity. It is also going to be ideal for inflating other products including balls and motorbike tires. The pressure gauge has been put in place for accurate control of pressure in the bike tire. At number 1, XCH Bicycle Repair Kit All-in-One Tool. This bike tire repair kit comes with multiple tools that allow you to easily get your new mountain bike repaired. You will be able to do your repairs in harsh environments and continue riding safely. Apart from indoor repair, the kit also proves to be a good indoor repair kit for your bikes. The good thing about the kit is that the team is very professional and willing to help you whenever you need it. In the package, among the things that you will find include a pump. This one has been made to ensure that inflate the bike tires to precision. You will also find a tube repair patch for emergency punctures. Most importantly, the kit comes along with a bag that has been made to store all these tools very conveniently. The nylon Velcro proves to be useful for clinging the kit onto the bike stand for a safe ride. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.